Hello, my YouTube family. My name is Suryansh Mishra. I am the son of Bibhu Prasad Mishra. Thank you for liking my IMO Olympiad answer key video. It got 1000 views in 22 hours. So today I will be telling you the question answers of NSO Chapter 1 Olympiad 2023 to 2024 Class 4. Please like, subscribe, share and comment for showing support and for the improvement. So let's start. Dash is an insectivorous plant. Venus flytrap, cactus, sunflower or rose. The answer is this, Venus flytrap. The spelling is VENUS FLYTRAP. If they draw pitcher plant also, please take pitcher plant. Identify the structure X shown on the pictures and select the correct option regarding it. So this is a pneumatophore. So the correct answer is option A. This is a pneumatophore and this is found in marshy areas. The plant shown in the given picture is adapted to grow in deserts and its leaves are modified into spines. So option C is the correct answer. Plants prepare their food in form of glucose. This food is used by the plants for making flowers and fruits, making leaves and repairing damaged parts. So the correct option will be option D, all of these. X is a tree with needle-shaped leaves with a waxy coating. It has woody cones instead of flowers. These cones bear seeds inside them. X is, so the tree is not date palm, not elm, no, not maple, and it's larch. Option D, larch. Meena planted tape grass in pot of soil and watered it regularly. After a few days, the plant died. What could be the appropriate reason for it? Tape grass flourishes more on ground than in pot. Tape grass is an aquatic submerged plant. Tape grass does not require regular watering. The water may be of bad quality. She planted it on soil. But tape grass is a water submerged plant. That's why it died. This is the appropriate reason. So correct option is B. Which of the following belongs to a terrestrial plant? Maple, all of these belong to a terrestrial plant. Tarun carried out an experiment to show that how plants respond to the heat. This is how the plant looked like after a week. This is how the plant looked like. Which of the following setups he used? Not this. This is closed. The plant will not get sunlight. Here it's not with the flower, the hole. So the correct option will be option B. Kuneka took a green leaf and she bleached it with cold water. Then she added a few drops of iodine. What will she observe? Because of the iodine, the leaf will turn blue-black. So the correct option is option C. In which of these conditions the potted plant would able be carry out the process of making food? well watered and placed in fully wooden cupboard? No, because it will not get sunlight. Placed near an open window and water well? Yes. Placed in garden, all the leaves smeared with Vaseline? No. Placed in garden, dry soil in the pot? No, never. So the correct option is option B. Placed near an open window and water well. Manoj crossed out mushroom from the group given below because he felt that it did not belong here. What support Manoj's conclusion? Which of these? B and C? No. Yes, but there's more. Not only B and C. A, B, D and D. No, mushroom is not a plant. Mushroom is a fungus. So A is a wrong statement. A is again given here. So the correct option is option D, B, C and D only. Find the correct statement from the following. The body of Hydrilla is covered by mucilage and leaves having stomata all over the surface. No, it's not covered by mucilage. Lotus have blade-like leaves with stomata present only on the upper surface. Yes, it's correct. Duckweed has narrow, thin ribbon-like leaves. The roots of tape grass float below the water surface. So the correct option is option B. Lotus has blade-like leaves with stomata present on